Hello guys, it's me once again. For today's video we will mix chocolate and mocha color latex paint for concrete wall. Chocolate evokes the color of earth, and it is incredibly deep and relaxing. It is good as an accent in baseboard of bright colors like turquoise, lavender, grass green, and tangerine. While mocha is a classic neutral color that is perfect for any space, the lighter shade of brown makes the room feel warm and cozy without being too heavy. If you are new to our channel, please click the subscribe button below to keep updated on our paint mixing tutorial videos. Thank you. Our client's order: 1 gallon matte latex dark chocolate. We prepare 3 color combination: matte latex black, acrylic color raw sienna, and acrylic color tulip red. Stir the paint well to come out the color result. It's more darker. Let's add more acrylic color, raw sienna and tulip red. Okay, let's compare if they are the same now. Nice, they are the same already. Mixing accomplished. Next, our client's order: 1 liter mocha matte latex paint. We prepare for color combination: 70% of matte latex white, 20% of acrylic color raw sienna, 7% of acrylic color tulip red, and 3% of acrylic color black. Okay, it is the same already. Mixing accomplished. Hope you learned and enjoy watching our paint mixing tutorial video. If you then, please click the subscribe button below to be updated for our next videos. Thank you.